See here students. So now you people have to learn about the radiation losses. This occurs due to the bending of fibers here. There are two types mainly, that is microscopic bends and macroscopic and microscopic bends. So in macroscopic bends, see, these are the bends, they are having radii of curvature that are smaller compared to the fiber diameter here, and these bends occur while wrapping the fiber here. And see here, the fiber can be bent with the radii of curvature as small as here 10 centimeter with the negligible loss here. And see if where the bend in optical fiber is such that the incident angle of light ray at the interface of core and cladding, if it falls below the critical angle where the total internal reflection, it does not take place. Due to this, some of the light energy it escapes through the cladding and it leads to a loss. As the radii of curvature, see, the bend decreases, the loss here increases exponentially until the certain critical value of radius of curvature. And see, next microscopic bends here. Microscopic bending which occurs due to non-uniformity in the manufacturing of fiber or by non-uniform lateral pressure that is created during the cabling of the fiber here. The microbends causes here irregular reflections and some of them leak through the fiber here. So these microbending losses that can be minimized by here covering, that is compressible jacket, that is over the fiber, and see, the jacket will then be able to sustain the stress here. So this is about your radiation losses here. Next come to your application part. So already you people have learnt about the attenuation coefficient here. So which is represented by here alpha is equal to minus 10 divided by L log of P out divided by P in, that is power output divided by power input, which is measured in your decimal per kilometer. L is considered as your length of the fiber and P in, that is input power, P out is the output power here, which is expressed in the watt here. So in application part, you people have to learn about here point to point communication. So just here go through the diagram here. So first the information will be in the analog form, then it is given to the coder. Then see binary electrical signal, that it is given to optical transmitter unit. Then that it is transmitted to the optical fiber. Then see at the end here photodetector are connected.